Hey guys, it's Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a celebrity inspired makeup tutorial. This one is inspired by the one of Katy Perry. The inspiration picture is right here. And if you want to see how I created this look, it is so easy. Then just keep on watching the video. Thanks guys. Okay, starting off with the brows, as always, we're going to use our Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in shade Medium Brown and use that on a V10 brush by BH Cosmetics and create a beautiful brow. Then we're going to sculpt out the brow. I think the really word is carve out the brow with a Maxilect Cover Up concealer. I cannot speak! I'm not very good at voiceovers, and I'm using that as my primer, and then I'm going to set that with some Coty Airspun powder. Taking my Morphe Dare to Create palette and the orange middle transition shade, I'm going to create our transition. Obviously, it's a transition shade, and I'm just going to be slightly winging it out, and then I'm going to take a reddier colour, which is just on top of it, and I'm just going to deepen that and make it a bit more red because we're going to play with a lot of red in this tutorial, so get ready. Now we're playing with the Jeffree Star Androgyny Makeup palette, and I'm going to use that as our base for our shimmer shadow, which we're going to put on next, and then just blend that together. This is shade 1989 from the Laura Lee Violet Voss palette, and I'm just going to put that on. I sprayed my brush with a bit of Fix Plus so it was a little bit more intense, and that is our main lid shade. Taking the shade Lou, which is just a black shadow, and an angled brush, I'm creating a wing with my shadow, and then once we've created the wing, I'm going to blend that out, and it's going to create the winged out black shadow that Katy has in the inspiration picture. I'm also creating a normal liner as well with this shadow. We will put on liquid liner in a second, but I'm just mapping it out really with the shadow. Now I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Weirdo liquid lipstick, and I'm using that as my liner. These are eye safe, they're vegan, so they're perfect for eyeliner, and they're so good because they dry matte and they don't move. Spectacular. And I'm just going to create a wing with that and line my eye with that also. Next, we're just going to use a big fluffy brush just to blend everything together and make it all seamless. Now taking my Kryolan concealer wheel, I'm doing some color correcting. I don't really do color correcting that often, but I was really red and tired this day and I had pimples all over my face, so I just thought I'm just gonna fix that up before I put on my foundation. But when I get to my foundation is my Huda Beauty, I think it's called Faux Filter, I think it's what it's called, foundation, and then my Tarte Shape Tape concealer as well, and I'm just going to blend that in with my Morphe Beauty Blender sponge thingamajiggy. I love this sponge, by the way. This side right here that I was just using, oh my god, so good. Setting my face with my Coty Airspun powder and setting that with a tulip brush by Morphe. I can't remember the actual numbers, but that's exactly what it is. And then just setting the entire face with a sponge and then dusting off the excess with a powder brush. Taking the same angled brush we had before, I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line to make it really black and dark. And then take that red shade that we put in our transition just to marry the two colours together from the top to the bottom. And then I'm going to use an Inglot pencil eyeliner and just run that in my waterline. It's time for some bronzing. We are using Benefit Hoola Bronzer and my Morphe, I can't remember what it's called, I think it's an R2 brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Love this brush, so good. And then using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and this Morphe brush, I don't know what it's called, I'm sorry, and I'm just going to be contouring my face with that. And then using my Morphe, I have no idea what these Morphe brushes are called. This is the one I use for nose contour, it's so good, I swear by it. And I'm just contouring my nose with that, and then setting the sides, or baking the sides, with some Coty Airspun powder. I look great. Now I'm just going to throw on some mascara really quick. We are going to put on false lashes. I almost forgot to put on the false lashes in this video. I literally set my face and then I had to go back and put the false lashes on because I'm a legend. I'm just going to wipe away that bake. And then I'm taking Peach Goddess by Jeffree Star and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone just for that little shimmery shine that Katy has on in her picture. Next, we're going to take Jeffree Star Eclipse Highlighter and highlight the face using a fan brush. The fan brush is the first brush I saw, that's why I picked it up, not my usual M510 by Morphe. So that's why I used a fan brush today. Just thought I would let you know. In case you were wondering. And now I'm just going to throw on the Little Mix Collection Jade lipstick. It is a great match to what Katy has on in her picture. And then I'm going to throw on the Tanya Burr Chic Gloss over the top of that when we get there, Elise. We're talking way too fast for what I'm actually doing on the screen. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, out of everything I've put on this video, that was the longest clip of all time. And that's the Chic Gloss by Tanya Burr. I've had this gloss for so long. Like, she's repackaged, she's done lots of things with these lip glosses. Right, here I am setting my face, haven't even got the lashes on. Then I was like, setting my face, I was like, where's the lash, girl? Where's the lash? There we go. So now we're just throwing on the lash. These are DODO Lashes D105s. You can use my code EliseWillowBeauty at checkout at dodolashes.com to save yourself some money, girl. And that is the finished look. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe. And that is it. That is how you recreate Katy's look. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.